the logo transparent because I have transparency, so I can easily select from the tiles in the middle of the tile sheet, just so I know where the 16 by 16 border lies. This is just a slider in Ace. What is that? How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to an earlier start than usual because we have a lot of stuff to finish. Not a lot. A few, but those are kind of big. So I have to phrase this. We are still working on the Usagi Jam. It's Jam? There we go. And my work today is gonna be mostly asset-wise, I feel like. Maybe in the afternoon, like the late evening, I will look into level design. But for now, I have like two big, quote-unquote big things I want to finish. One is a label. As you know, my each side. Actually, we haven't talked about this, like who's gonna upload the game. I have to shoot a message to Fletch about that. Because this might not be fully relevant if he wants to upload the game. Hold on. Actually, did it right, but there is a funny quirk where Usagi doesn't know the game VH until after the full game is loaded into it, so it was still using the old position for your math. Oh. Quick. I'm just talking with Fletch on Discord. Quick question. Do you game or you don't want to do the stuff I usually go for them. Or what? That pot. Escape. Label thingy. Okay. I plan to work on the Itchio, I don't mind if you create it. I do things I haven't been. Brioche? Okay, welcome. How long have you been making pixel art? Sheesh. That is a good question. Technically, I mean, kind of depends. Actively, not so long ago. It's like when I started doing games on Itch, which is like 2019, I feel like. For gore. Yeah, 2012. But I was doing asset work for games before that. I was working on mod packs for OpenTTD, which is like an open source implementation of the transfer type on Deluxe games. I was working on a few Hungarian graphic mod packs. Not much, it's like a few buildings and cars and trucks and such. And I did a lot of stuff for, because at some point I fell in love with 2D Counter-Strike. I love that game. I somehow stumbled upon it and it ran on the potato PC of mine. And I ventured into map making and sprite work and mod stuff for this. But these were like earlier. This is like me in high school, I guess. Which is like what, 2012, 8, something like that. So it's been an on and off journey since then. So I guess you could almost call it like a decade, but that was not active. Like all every day doing pixel art. You should check out that OpenTT. It is really cool. The distribution now changed somehow, and I'm not sure how fully. Just because I think you need have this team. And there's like a page on it because Atari bought the IP recently. I think you technically need to purchase it from somewhere else. Not OpenTTD, but like the behind assets. I have to go through this, but I have those as well, so to me nothing really changed. That is really cool stuff. Yeah, it's a cool game. You are a Lua ninja? A ninja? No. Do I dabble in Lua? Yes. Like, I mean, Kotei, Nick? Do you prefer, like, Kotei or Nick? I've been doing games in Lua, if that matters. Almost mainly. My Unity sys was Unity, and did one more project after that in Unity, but recently I've been making everything in Lua. It's either Pico 8 or Pic 80, Love 2D, Playdate, and now Usagi. It's really something. What is my Oh yeah, mostly Lua, because I just enjoy how easy it is. Ooh, what did I do here? Did I lower this? I was like, what happened? I don't even know how I did that with my keyboard. Should do some loves. Yeah, I want to do. So I'm talking with someone else. I'm doing a jam game with FletchMakes. FletchMakes. Why is not the it's coming up? Yep. He's an amazing indie friend. You can find the website here. And if I do an SO, FletchMakes, right? There we go. That is Fletch. Go follow him. He's also like a cool indie friend. Are you familiar with Zeg? Not from the top of my head. What is it? Zeg, general purpose programming language, toolchain for maintaining the most optimal reusable software. Oh, another language. Ooh, okay. Seems a bit cursed. But no, I'm not familiar with it. Mostly played around with Lua, a little bit of Pygame. That's it. My professional work is different, but that is way too many languages to start listing here. So for the game jam, we have two big things I want to quote-unquote finish today. One is the label image. This is just a mock-up. Oh yeah, that is where I was on Itch. Brain, I got railroaded with OpenTTD. So for the past while, I've been doing this label style where it is the engine tool or game category and the image. So you can see Pico 8, tabletop, Löwe, Usagi, and I want to continue this from our Discord talks. Fletch doesn't seem to mind this. And I mocked up a quick, like a draft, I guess, which is not bad per se. I just don't like how the title is not prominent enough in it. So this is gonna be one thing we will try to do today on stream, which is either try to fix this one or come up with another idea. I do want to use the title card or logo, or not sure what is like the exact, oh fuck me, what is like the exact design name of this element, but yeah. So that is work 1. Work 2 is music for the game. Somehow I am the one who works on music, even though I have like no music making experience other than placing beeps and boops in my games. And we have a draft. It's like what, 3, 4 like sections of music. What is it called? Not UTM. Beatbox. What is it calling it? Edit song length. Beat bars. It is calling it bars. It's like 4 bars of technically a repeatable pattern. So in theory we have our music already. I just want to make it a bit longer and better. So that is the 2 things. So we are gonna work mostly on like the asset side of GameDev today, and Fletch is working on code side. And in the afternoon, because I'm probably gonna do like a longer stream, or because you usually stream to like 6 PM, so like what, almost 4 more hours. What I might do is go grab lunch, not lunch, dinner, and then come back for like another 2 and try designing levels. Because code-wise we are mostly complete with our game. Fletch is doing some cleaning up because we changed the resolution of the game, I guess, the canvas size. Oh yeah, if anyone is not familiar with it, hold on. Gram. Let me show you guys. Itchio game. Usagi. This is my Pico 8 folder. I need my project folder. Thank you. Usagi Game Jam open. IndieDev. Should show up. Didn't. There you go. So we are doing a game jam with the team Moon, and we are playing with the funny idea of the moon is made out of cheese. So we are responsible for feeding mice in the cheese mines on the moon, and it is a aiming bounce puzzle game where you have to figure out how to aim your shots and feed as many mice with a single cheese as you can, and complete the level in as little shots as you can. Why am I missing this? Is it earlier? There is a pattern where, yeah, this is the one. And then later you're gonna have lasers in your way, and portals, and spikes, and portals, and more mice than you can feed, because there is like a limit on how many mice you can feed. Oh. There you go. And as you can see, the screen is quite small in like real estate wise. And this is why recently this was enlarged. I don't have that fork yet, because I'm not working anything code wise today for a while. But yeah, this is our more game. There you go. That's great. And like stupid cheese spawns. I need to come up with more of those. But... yeah, I'm working on the asset side for now. So, one idea here is remake this new 256. Is try to find a reference where someone is throwing a ball and trying to make it look like the mice is throwing the cheese like at the screen, I guess, like towards the viewer. It's gonna be hard in terms of that. I'm not great at pixel art. So immediate thought was something along looking into Pokemon because they are throwing so many balls in there. Wall reference. There is a bet. I'm missing a word here. No, I mean, that's not bad. This is almost what I'm looking for, by the way, so... DuckDuckGo was... generous today. Oh, I haven't talked about this with Fletch. I had this slight idea of like not throwing quote unquote the cheese, but like the mice having a big bazooka on, like there would be like a big bazooka here, and that is what he's shooting. I mean, that would sadly like cover up the mice. Mouse. The chef mouse. Oopsies. I'm fine with working because I can just revert this. Trying to sketch up something to see if I like roughly like the idea actually, because it would be funny for sure. But I feel like that would be like we have this lovely sprite. So like if I drew a bazooka here somewhere, like that would like behind doesn't make a lot of sense, I guess, if I move, because then the hand is here, so it's like, you know, it is covering the mouse. I have this cute little chef mouse. Still don't know how I'm gonna fit Ricochet on there. Because I have to cut this somewhere. Sprite canvas. Make it 260. Put it on the top. Guess I can cut it here. I guess that is where it would make the most sense. What is Fletch doing here with the outline? Like this, right? Are we coming up for the other letters? Not really. Sprite. If I 2x this now, how big is that on this label? Holy quack! I mean, I like how big it is, honestly. Because it could be most of the game area. Ta-ta-ta-tam, ta-ta-ta-tam. Load the palette. Assets. What? Grab a mice. I'm not sure if I'm on the right layer for that. Nope. I guess it will be better to open up the spreadsheet. I'm gonna copy a lot of stuff from there. I can go down. I don't care about you for now. If you're 2x, you're this big, which is a lot. That's a Fletch. Hold on, Fletch said something. I woke up immediately and knew how to make the portals look better. Yo. Do you want to come up with a studio name for the two of us currently? It is what I have for the game metadata. I feel like we can do better than Ochi Fletch. We can brainstorm something on a name for sure. Fletch is being busy. Being a busy bee. A busy duck. In the background. I did like the bouncing cheese as well. I want the bouncing cheese, which I think is on layer on this, right? Yep. Okay, found it. Because you can bounce that here. Guess I need to modify the logo mouse cheese. View to the background, and I think this is like our stone color, and I need to modify this over here. Because this is now coming more coming from noise. Oh, don't jump onto the maze though. Nope. Almost. Need to send a screenshot though if he likes. The separated copy the separated logo thing. Do you mind? Split the. Honestly, even this, now that I look at it, I'm like almost happy with just this. I like, I mean, a minimal and clean design would be like very bold words to use here, but like simplistic ideas. But I think it works really well if this is split. Not at all. Let's go. I have no clue for like a team name though. I have enough creative block with the music and the art, and Fletch throws a, hey dude, do you think we can come up with a name as well on top of all this? This is still... Oh, come on. Don't make me do a line here, please. Yes, I will have to, because this is too bummed out from that line. I guess this is as well. Oh, well then. There. Spreadsheet. Grab block of cheese. I get rid of the background for now. Oh, this is a cool thread. Little bit volume to that. Oh, I guess that's gonna be a VOD. VOD video for now. Because I forgot to press Z button. Like a city port. Oh, there. See. There we go. I'll close this. Have my logo in place already. Oopsies. Give me a new layer, but that layer should be under the logo. Get rid of the logo. I guess I can just draw on the background though. This layer. So how did I use my colors here? A bit weirdly. And we might try to deviate a bit from the base game. Look. No. Today gonna be a lot of this. Training stuff and interesting stuff. I don't want to overcrowd this though. It's gonna be the biggest problem here. I like how simplistic it is and clean. Huh? Where is... Oh, wrong layer. Like, where is my mother mice? You know what? It can... I'm missing the bottom. How am I missing the bottom? I need to go into... I know there is like a tile map kind of drawing mode in this, right? I'm just not sure if... can just flip between a normal spreadsheet and like the tile mode thing. I haven't explored that part of sprite yet. I haven't needed to. I never drew tile maps in Sprite. I'd either used Pico 8, the built-in Pico 8 map, or tiled, or oh shoot. Or now I started learning LDTK because Fletch just jumped into LTDK on day 1 and I'm like, well, I guess we are doing LTDK. If you don't mind, I really wanted to check the tool out. And I guess put this on the logo. I don't know. Get rid of env and delete this from the logo layer. There we go. Shift H. Oh yeah, I want to do this. Oh, I need to do this. So to do. Want I mean, this might be a little bit of a problem though. I have to talk this out with Fletch because I drew all my sprites in a way where if you like see how this has like a virtual flat top surface, and if you put this mice a bit down here, down into it, it actually looks like it is standing on it. Like a weird trick you can do with like side viewed games. So yeah. I'm so sad no one got the reference for the drill mice yet. I'm hoping one day someone will write on the gem page that, oh, is this from this? And I'm gonna be like, yeah, let's go. Someone got it. Oh, I like the drill mice on the title block. I mean, except my fiance, but we watched the show together, so she knows it. Something is missing up from here. technically down from here, but down here maybe we can just put either nothing or like a few of these rock tiles. She sent a message. What is it? Almost half an hour ago. Oopsies. Oopsies, I guess. I need to like find my phone holder. Oh, she's back home already? Ooh. Meeting up with her mother-in-law in the city. Wee-woo. My... I have a phone holder somewhere and I have no clue where it is. I have to find it later, I guess. Could be a read? Back in a minute. Need to grab some water. Woohoo! Hydration is key when your brain is working. Drink up, everyone. Apparently it is very hot in the city center. I guess due to all the concrete. That's not what I copied. Wolf, how you doing? Hope you are having... Why is this only 2? Because I only copied 2. Oopsies. How you doing on this hopefully lovely weekend? Hope your day is going well, going nicely. We're gonna work on a lot of art-ish stuff today. Actual art and music and stuff like it. I don't like this honestly down there. Just weird. I should like it, but I don't. There's a problem because I do need something up here. Hold on, how about if I hang something from there? With some cheese. Doing alright. That's cool. I always forget that there is this sound effect in that song. Working on a UI library based on Vinoforms. Ooh. Busy as always. Is it for the... Didn't you start learning that NES thingy? You shared somewhere? Or was it Game Boy? I forgot. It might be Game Boy. Let's make this one longer, like this, and I'll make it like this T shape. Like use these. There, and I will just remove this line, but technically I should use the other part of the spreadsheet. For the Game Boy level edit. Oh, okay. It's not just a new project, it is for the same one, just in a different way. I do want some spikes though, somewhere. Spikes, I think. Scary. Wait, yes. I'm never confident in like vertical and horizontal flipping until I do it. Barrel, I guess. So let's lower this a bit. There we go. Oh, just a bit. I guess I could put a laser gate into here. That also might be fun, right? Let's put a laser gate into there instead of this. Because then you're like, ooh, what is that laser going on? What is that laser there? Shift V? Yes. Correct yet again. And I do want to have one more mice, so And then we would need a lever as well somewhere. And a little wall to bounce that lever off from. 16. Are you planning on putting it on like an actual Game Boy cartridge as well? Like looking into custom ROMs? ROMs, I guess? Like actually flashing it or burning it, or I'm not sure what is the proper term there, honestly. Or just keeping it a digital. Might be overcomplicating it already. Curb. What is a 10? Oh my god. How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to the early start of the stream. It's like a big stream sake if you ask me. I mean, Úristen, very big. I don't know where. Make this a bit. You know. First look. Congrats on being first to the stream. And now I have to fill in these corners as well, right? That is how it goes. But I like it. I like this so much better than the previous one. It's not that busy. Loop. How is this? Totally did not install on your Linux distro. That was a quick journey with Arch. What happened? Let's grab this corner. I just wanted to try NixOS, so I got it. I'm not familiar with NixOS, I have no clue. What is it based on? Which family does it belong to? So I guess we have to excuse me in a moment for a minute. I have to let Daya in. She didn't brought keep his keys with her. Why? Like, does it belong to the Arch family? Does it belong into the Debian one? Is it Red Hat? There it is. Oh, in a moment. To install package, you edit a file under the tier packages array. Oh. Interesting. So that's his own package manager, I guess. Oh. Hope it was there for you. Are you just looking into it, or are you distro hopping at the moment? Trying to find what works for you. Just saying hours what I saw this and I'm going to try it out. The distro hopper life. Something is missing here. And I don't know what. And I don't know how to fix it. Because this zone feels a bit empty. But I guess then I might be over crowding it. Guess I can put maybe one of the background cheese blocks there. One of these. Like, yeah. A few of these I can scatter around, I feel like. Oh, let's grab the other one as well. Oop. Szívesen adjam. Feküdj le, pihenj le, nincs jobb dolgod. Like, no, I don't want the frame. Mm-hmm. Oh, I know. Daya stumbled into a shop in the shopping center, I guess what you would call it. Mall? It's not like a US style, 2 city-sized mall. It's like a... I mean, I guess it is almost a city block. Half of it, roughly. So yeah, it's not small, but like one of those massive ones. Hold on, I need to file, save, assets. I feel like this is way better label, export it and send it to Fletch. And I'll be like, hey, give feedback. I need feedback. Are you editing Spice PNG at all? You know, drawing differently until oh, Fletch me in the menu. Oh, I like that. Ooh, okay. GameDev, Usagi Jam, sets. You like this one? I guess label, just so it doesn't confuse it with the menu. Whatever. Yeah, that's awesome. Let's go. I think like making the title, like the font itself, way larger was such a better idea. And also my actual was a little bit bugged after 4 days. Yeah, my first mint was the one who I fucked up so hard when I migrated from Windows to Linux. I was like fluffing around with my mint due to like driver things, which I needed for like GPU cards, trying to cram more out of it, and then like for playdate stuff and all the other stuff that I needed for like different game development environments and such, that I actually lit it on fire. So then went into PopOS, but PopOS at that point when I tried it did not support the C library that I needed for Playdate, which I think now it does. I went to Mint. That's everyone's first day. So my first was Fedora. Why the hell people use PopOS? Because it is very similar to... The whole thing with PopOS is that it tries to be basically as smooth of a visual transition from Windows to Linux as it can. I didn't want to go Fedora because I used Fedora a lot back in the days, and it was not a stable distro back then, like at all. Nowadays, I think it is actually trying to be, but I think the same problem came up there with Fedora as well, because it is still on like an older kernel version, or was, I don't know. From Arch, I used Manjaro, and I did not enjoy the experience. Tried Mint. I tried something else which I'm forgetting. Of course, Ubuntu. That was technically Ubuntu was my first Linux introduction, because that is what they teach at the uni. Not teach, but like every Linux OS based course basically does Ubuntu. I lied. The IT security slash... I mean, I wouldn't call it hacking because it is not hacking, but like IT security slash networking course used Kali. That was Kali Linux. Yeah, but the flavor of it was Kali. I don't like this bump here in the... Nu nem jutott talán, semmi gond. Ó, lesz víz, van jég. This is the logo. Yeah, and this one needs to be like back a bit. Something like that. But I think everyone when coming to Linux fucks it up so hard, then at some when they reinstall it is like, yeah, I mean, that is the nature of Linux if you start tinkering with it. If you're not experienced with it, even if you are experienced with Linux, you can make stupid stuff that can hurt you, and as you go along you will learn. Might need a little bit of cleanup on the title to bring back the dark gray border along the bottom edges. Oh, there is a dark gray border. And I just missed it. Oh shit. Yeah, there is a border here. I once copied the logo and looks like I did not copy this part. Because I thought it is part of this image. Oopsies! Honestly, I'm keeping it here. I'm gonna merge these two. Why is the logo transparent? Because I have transparency so I can easily select from the tiles in the middle of the tie sheet. Just so I know where the 16 by 16 border lies. This is just a slider in Inkscape. There we go. And so how does this shadow? Oh yeah, I guess because it was together with O here. Which is why it doesn't have the back here. Yeah, but I don't like the overgrid. Don't enjoy how it looks. This is how I usually do it. Not usual, that is how I do it when I have to like select stuff. Okay, I'm gonna do a line, it's fine. Not even a line, I'm gonna do rectangle, fill one. Bloop. Bloop. Oh wait, that's not correct, right? Oh no, it is 2-2. Oh, then this needs to be 4. Yeah, this is not correct. Oopsies. Fletchicles. There. There we go. Also, the jam ends in 2 days and still a lot of fun to do, so yeah, wish me luck. Good luck. I mean, we also have a lot of stuff to do. Thankfully, I feel like our core gameplay mechanics are in place now. Because Fletch was a hero. I mean, technically now this is not enough, right? But that you have twice as much workforce. I mean, that is how teamwork works. Yes, it is true. No, don't play with it. Accept it how it is. Export. Yes. I want to export it. Thank you, Sprite. Wait, I still need to brainstorm on like yeah, it blends into the interface, exactly. I still need to come up with like brainstorm ideas because Fletch asked if We want to name our small little team something. So now I have to think about something. And hold on, I'm putting a pixel here. There. And even here. Not the exact same as what Fletch did. But I'm a bad boy. You cannot stop me. I'm the one with his pride. I mean, he also has his pride, but you know I'm joking. Let's try to find Inkscape. There is Inkscape. Usagi release template. Oh, that's something different. I guess I'm modifying this one to it. Loop. I need to make this smaller, by the way, the Usagi sidebar. And for all my templates as well. It's gonna be a bit of a pain, but then I'm not gonna go back and fix for other art. Like other games, but this is too big. I want the label image to actually fit. Let's add better label PNG. What is this? Right? No, this is Inkscape. This is an open source vector based drawing / editing program. I'm doing all my thumbnails and images and stuff like that. I did. It's really cool. Oh wait, why is this? I hate it to use to Illustrator. I mean, that sounds like a user problem, not a problem, program problem. User issue, I guess, is the better term. Like it. I thought you can. Oh, it doesn't fully fit. Okay, that is why. There we go. Now it's snapped. So now we know how big to make this. And now we need to move this a bit. Okay. So better. This is the GIMP of vector programs. Yeah, I like this. This is so much better than the previous one. I need to stir up my matcha latte. Let's go. It's not that cold anymore though. Daya, welcome. Welcome. Honestly, I need to use that. I need to look into if you can randomize the follow sound. I heard of graphite and it's apparently a lot better than Inkscape, but I haven't used that. I haven't even heard of graphite. Graphite. Vector. Open source alternative to Canva, Photoshop and Figma. Maybe, I don't know. Seems similar. That said, I don't think Inkscape is trying to be like any of those. Inkscape is much more Figma balls. Oh, I had to do Figma courses back then on like one of my work projects. Like, it is an okay tool, but oh my god, there's so much crammed into that you can get lost in a minute. I need to move this. By the sun. Oh, I'm blinded by the lights. Indeed. Oh, I like that cover so much, but you probably noticed it already. Nah, the cover is so much better. Feuer Schwarz. Oh, I blanked on the name so hard, oh my god. The Feuer Schwarz, Blinded by the Light cover, and the Gimme cover, oh my god, they are so good. Ugh. And now D'Artagnan made and I Need a Hero one, and I'm like, go! I'm still waiting for the new Diggy Hole Windrose remake. Like Diggy Hole 2. I think the whole internet is waiting on it, but I'm coming home to dig another hole. Back to the mountains, the earth and the stone. Yeah. I guess label done. Yubi. Eco cheddar. Label. Also, hold on, I forgot what Fletch said about who wants to. When you're doing level design, if you decide you want to reorder the levels, it might get annoying. You could either change the order of data or levels lower by hand, if you want, auto-generate it by saving LDTK, but you have to update the order after every save. It might be worth creating some other functions to take a piece of level data from each level in LDTK and doing a table sort or something. IDK, I will let you cross that bridge when you get to it. Just wanted to let you know. Hey, what? Why? Daya brought me fries. The leftover fries. ABC snack. Oh my god, it's like a puffed potato snack with ABC letters. Yeah, Pombear, I guess, if you guys know Pombear. My EU friends will probably know Pombear, but... yeah, somewhere else. Haha, leftover fries. Nom 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 nom. I mean, it's a bit soggy, but... Oh, you don't know Pombear? It's like a chips. A crisp? Whatever you want to call it. Pombear. Crisps. Yeah, I know these. These ones. Do you guys not have these? Just like puff potato. You don't have this? What the hell? Just like a puff potato chips, I guess. You like Dusky? I mean, this doesn't say... Oh, that's Dusky. Yeah, this seems similar. Probably the same, like, tech behind it. And Daya brought me one today that is like ABC shaped. From one of the stores she was in. These are really, really good. Let's go. I like these because these are potato based. So I can have them. most of these kind of chips as well. I like other ones which use either flowers, like some kind of additive, and I cannot eat those basically. Oh yeah, like I don't understand why this is a problem though. Like Fletch is saying reordering them is a pain. Okay, maybe it doesn't. Maybe they aren't actually reordered. Hold on. There's IndieDev. Fletch is now confusing me. I mean, not Fletch, my brain, but IndieDev. If I saw right, you can eat it. No soy, no gluten. Let's go. No milk, please. I guess it's salty, right? Let's go. Yeah. Because technically... Oops. It is not this order that matters. Oh. I mean, I guess technically you could click off auto and name it by hand. Does click auto level name off and naming them by hand to indices? What? Oh, I pressed the layer button. Oops. Probably easier. I'm not sure if it works. I'm sorry, I'm munching on leftover soggy fries from KFC. Honestly, KFC has almost one of the best fries when it is not soggy, but this one is. Burger King is nice as well, but okay, wings is the best. Hot take is like a local fried chicken place, and the other conventional fast food chains cannot even get near to it. It's like a whole new level. Oh yeah. Okay, there is another place, but that's different because Wings has like the conventional, you know, like fast food fry type fry, and there is a hamburger place or burger place or whatever you want to call it, where it is like actual skin on sliced, like a very thick layer, but like steak fry kind of fries. It's like it's not like that chunky, but it's not like a mandolin slice fry. It's like weird, but yeah, that place has really good fries. Yeah, I agree. Sadly, I only get to have them when I has it, because from those places I cannot have anything else but the fries. And even then, most of the time I just pray that they just did not eat the fry into the oil of the meat. And they're deep frying the meat. I mean, I guess they don't have that, right? The bear one, the burger place, only has a like smash burger, like flat top meats, and they don't have nuggies or like strips and such. So yeah, let's go. I mean, it depends on what kind of tacos they do, because that is fried taco. I'm in a bit of a pickle because this got together way faster than I thought it would. Fletch is warning me. Yeah, chat, that's done. But thanks for the heads up. For some reason from the top of my head, I thought I cannot type. It is the actual order in DTK, but of course not. You can paste them where. I go. Let's play daily doku. We can play a daily doku. I'm up for it. A little brain refresher before I jump into music, I guess. Window cap. The one Bone made is also really good. I just have troubles with seeing the colors. That is why I have like icons in mind. The homework is showed off. I haven't looked at it yet. I just only saw the screenshots. There. The problem with daily doku is the 2x2 Sudoku is in terms like easy to make. Then you have to place this here. No, I messed up. And this here, because you have to place the star on this line due to the top having it already. Here it doesn't technically matter which order, you just have to mirror it on the other side. So this is like small. And here we need the diamond. And down here the star. Oh yeah. Stream is lagging? Yeah, it is lagging. I noticed it as well, not sure why. We're gonna close off a few things here and there.